Going on, Amazon sellers, Coach Chrispect here, the wise guy. I was just driving home and I noticed a few bins in my neighborhood where people donate their stuff to, but a lot of times they leave their stuff outside of these bins and it looks terrible. And I noticed one of the bins is actually specifically for books. It's a read, reuse, recycle bin, and there's like boxes of books outside. So I thought to myself, let's scan some of these books. So I'm about to go over to this bin here with all those books out front and scan some of those books to see if any of those are ranked and can be sold on Amazon. The traffic is crazy here. Guys are just flying and it's like a school zone. All right, guys, so I'm gonna head across the street here and scan some of these books and see what's up. So we got a few boxes of books. Look at all these books. The New Book of Knowledge, The Hour I First Believed. I don't know why people leave their books outside a bin. I guess because the bin is full. Oh my God. All right, guys, so I'm about to scan some of these books and see what kind of profit people leave or donate. And then maybe I'll discover where these books go to, and perhaps that's a potential book business. All right, guys, so I went through a lot of the books and it looks like most of them will sell anywhere from between $10 and as high as, like, there's some books in here that sell for $300 on it. All right, guys, I'm gonna scan some of these books here, not too many, but we have a bunch of encyclopedias. The Knowledge Book, there's a few of those, but it's a 3 million rank. $235 a book at 3 million. People probably aren't paying that, but you could probably throw this entire set of encyclopedias. Check this out. You could probably throw this entire set of encyclopedias onto Amazon as an FBM seller, and someone will probably order it from you. You can box it up and ship it to them. You wouldn't have any issues doing that. We got a chemistry book here. It's a 4 million rank, sells for $17. A math book here, 500 rank, sells for $50. A selling destinations book here, 300,000 rank, sells for $200. A building cultural intelligence here, million rank, sells for $59. BC Science 10 sells for, it's an 81 rank, sells for $7. Recreational Services 4 million rank, sells for $150. Managing Human Resources 159,000 rank, sells for $60. Volume 2 of the library. Drug Guide for Nurses. It's a 265,000 rank, sells for $65. Canada, the North of 60, 578,000 rank, sells for $64. Now the used prices are going to be different. I'll show you some of the used prices. So this is a $300 book. No, that's not it. I'll go here. I don't know if that will work. That might be it. Yeah, $300. So let's look at this one. $22 new. Used sells for $14.50, $11 after tax. That's garbage. Garbage. The rest of these are garbage. Diagnostics. $380,000 rank, sells for $5. The Hour I First Believed. 200,000 rank, sells for $20. Let's take a look at some of these books, the used prices. So this Canada, North of 60, 500,000 rank, $64 new. Let's take a look at the used $10. So it's free. You ship to Amazon, cost you probably about 50 cents. You're gonna make $9. This library book, hard to say, doesn't come up. This book here, Essentials of Human, again, $60. I'm running out of power, guys, so I'm gonna have to end this video, but use 15, you're gonna make 12 bucks. Recreational law services. See if we can get this last one. So $150 book, 300,000 rank, used, sells for $63, $52 profit. Science 10, used probably $2. Oh, actually used a little bit more, $10. Running out of time here. Used, sells for 19, profit used. $50 book, new, used, $10 profit. $300,000 rank, $196 new, used, $57 profit. And then, like I said, all of the encyclopedias also. At the end of the day, if you do fulfillment by merchant, you're gonna get $300, probably $100 for those on the used market. And then this chemistry one, let's see if it shows up. No. Try again. Not showing up. Showed up before, but I like this Knowledge of Power book. Scan the barcode. There is no barcode. There we go. So 3 million rank, but $235. They're different years, it looks like. I don't know what year that one is. And then this chemistry one, 4 million rank. It's not worth it, but you know, so throw that one away. So there you go, guys. All that books probably have at least $100 profit there. Plus you probably have $100 profit there. $200 that people are throwing away. You could take these books home, put them in a box, list them on Amazon, and make yourself a couple $100, ship them out when they sell. Right, guys, so as you can see right here, ta-da, I was able to find a stack of encyclopedias that sell for $300 on Amazon, $100 used, and then all these books probably sell for a total of about $100 to $150 on the used market on Amazon. So you can find some pretty impressive stuff if you're just willing to take it home, package it up, and list it on Amazon. You're